Finally, I'm done with this editing. Like, it took me more than 2 months to get out of bed and start working. So our today's chef is my dad. So at first when my dad proposed like he is going to make rasgulla and other sweet dish on my birthday, we couldn't believe cause we can't trust him on his cookings. He is actually a horrible cook. But then my dad has their family sweet business, and he knows how to make different types of sweet dishes, mishtis and rasgullas. So yeah, making rasgulla is like pai hath ka khel for him. But we didn't expect much from him, but the rasgulla was too good. So for the rasgulla, at first we have to prepare Indian cottage cheese. So boil the milk over a medium-high heat and keep stirring to prevent the milk from being burnt, and then add lemon juice or vinegar. So this time we celebrated my birthday in a different way. Like for the very first time my dad cooked, and it's like a shopno. And that also because he was getting bored, like sitting all the day. So now you need a cotton cloth to pour out the water. Now we have to knead the cheese like really hard for 3 to 5 minutes. And then add suji, sugar, baking soda and maida accordingly. Knead for another 5 minutes and just aim to get uniformly smooth cheese and do not over knead. So coming back to my birthday story. So my last birthday night was the awkwardest and the most craziest birthday nights ever. So I was highly expecting one wish from that particular person, but like no one showed up. Okay, and I was so fucking sad. I started crying. Literally, I was crying on my own birthday. I know, like now it sounds so idiotic. And after some time all my friends like called me and texted me, and I was so happy seeing them. So after some time you will see a layer or dirt over that sugar syrup. Just remove it. Like before putting all the cheese balls, just take a test drive. Divide the dough to small portions. Make smooth balls that are crack free, and do not make them large as they will double in size when cooked. Choosing the right size of the pot is also very important. The pan must be wide enough for the rasgullas to move around and puff well. Similarly, it must be deep enough. Before putting all the cheese balls, just make sure that the flame has to be medium to medium high, such that the syrup is bubbling and boiling steadily while the rasgullas cook. Now for the cheesecake, add adequate oil and let it heat in high-medium flame, and then add the cottage cheese and stir it continuously. for watching and stay safe.